Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I just came back from the convenience store because I had to pick up this package, and it's a long story, but yeah, I hate UPS. That's all I have to say. This is my first time ordering on the website of Louis Vuitton, and this is definitely my last time also. So yeah, so that's all I have to unbox today. Actually, you received this also. Well, give it to me then. Hey! Oh. So it's actually going to be a double unboxing. Okay, so if you want to know what I bought, keep watching. Okay, let's start with the small box first. All right. Oh, gee. Okay. Oh. Oh, look. Oh, okay. So, wow. Zippy coin purse. Wait. Okay, so I don't know if you guys can see. It's called the Zippy coin purse. So, this is how it looks like. Oh. I hope you guys can see clearly. Oh my God. I love the Damier Ebene print. This canvas is just so gorgeous. I mean, it's supposed to be an unboxing only, but if you want to know, there's like 1, 2, 3, 4, I guess 5 slots, and there's also like a pocket here and another pocket on this side. So the reason why I bought this, it's because, you know, in my Zippy organizer, I have like a stack of cards that is that thick, and it makes it kind of bulky. Oh, wait, I'll show you. Organizer. Okay, so what I'm trying to say is, see? It looks kind of bulky. I don't like that. Yeah, let's see how much I can fit inside. Okay, I'm gonna put my American Express right in the middle because it's my main card. Okay, then I'm gonna put my Modulo right here. I'm also going to put my cashback credit card. I have a French credit card also. And finally, my debit card. Okay, so I put 5 cards inside, and I guess that's it. I mean, it's called a Zippy coin purse, but I don't think people really use that as a coin purse. Actually, like I said, I didn't buy this to put my credit cards inside, no. So I'm gonna put inside what I call my stupid cards. That means the cards that I find annoying, the cards that make my Zippy organizer bulky. Okay, so I have 7 stupid cards. Let's see if they fit. Okay, so Simon's is going to go right in the middle. Then the face shop. This is a card I use with my students when we go play badminton. This is for the library. Fondue de Pékin. This is from my favorite hot pot place. That was a gift card from my students. There's only $6 left. I have an Optimum card also. I wonder if it still works. I've barely used it. I have an Air Miles card too, but this one I don't find it stupid, so I'll just keep it here because I use it often. And there you go. Oh my God, I love it already. And now the bigger box. Oh, don't wanna be your enemy, and I don't wanna scream and shout. All right, so is this a flip up? Yes, it is. Ooh. Okay. All right. Ooh. funny shape. So, ta-da! Okay, it's a cosmetic pouch in Damier Ebene also. Ooh, my favorite canvas. Oh my god, I love this red interior. Oh my god. And apparently you can wash it. And actually that's the main reason why I bought this, because I wanted to put my makeup inside. Because right now I put my makeup inside my mini pochette accessoire. Oh my god, I'm so in love with it, I swear. Okay, let's transfer everything from mini pochette accessoire to the cosmetic pouch. This is compact from Anastasia, Beverly Hills. Okay, this is a MAC concealer. This is a MAC eyeshadow also. A MAC lipstick, mascara, and laughing out of anger, but it don't strike me as funny. My CC cream. Okay, my beauty blender. It's kind of dirty because I've used it a lot. Try to close it. There you go. Very nice. Okay, so I guess that's it for today's video. If you have any questions, please let me know in the comment section down below. And if you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. And also you can watch our other unboxing video. Okay? Bye everyone. Did he freeze me? Anyways, so I'll see you next time. Bye bye.